Enterprises versus the Bank of Baroda case has been handed down. The Oakbay plea has been dismissed by the North Gauteng High Court.
This urgent application, I've prepared a written judgment of some 74 pages. It is impractical to read it out now. Copies can be obtained from my registrar. I will only read out the summary and the order. Paragraph 43 reads as follows. 43.1. In our law, there is no recognized cause of action for a, quote, interim, unquote, interdict based on requirements other than those recognized at common law for an interim interdict. 2. Applicants have not pleaded a cause of action based on the provisions of Section 34 of the Constitution. 3. The common law requirements for an interim interdict have not been established herein. 4. The balance of convenience weighs heavily in favour of a party which seeks to uphold and preserve the integrity of the established financial system and the rule of law. The following order is therefore made. 43.1. The application is dismissed. 43.2. Applicants jointly and severally, the one paying, the others to be absolved, are to pay the cost of respondent, including costs of 2 senior counsel and 2 junior counsel. I hand down this judgment.
Well, joining us now on the phone line is Piet Matosa. He is a NUM president. A very good morning, and thank you so much for joining us here on ANN7. Well, and let's first off just get your reaction to the judgment that was handed down today.
Well, thank you for having us on the line. Good morning to you, your viewers and listeners. This is a very sad day for mine workers who are forming part of the poor of the poorest society in South Africa. It's a very sad day, really, because what it means is that these workers will leave the minerals that are underground that need to be mined for them to be able to work and sustain their families. And then the possibility and the implication of the decision or the judgment is that 1, 8,500 employees are going to lose their jobs. And then 2, it means that what is in the Labour Relations Act in terms of retrenchment, which gives at least a worker 1 week of each year of completed service, these workers are not going to get even what the Labour Relations Act is guaranteeing them. The third thing, which is also one of the most critical issues, is that they will go and join the army of the unemployed in the Republic of South Africa, which is a very, very sad thing. That is why we are calling upon the nation, our government, and everyone who is interested in saving jobs and creating new quality jobs to join the National Union of Mine Workers in ensuring that these jobs, are saved and, are also preserved. These are heads of families, people who've got responsibilities like any other person who is working, including maintaining their homes, taking their children to school. I don't want even to say, for their children to, send their children where they are going to get quality education. I'm referring to basic education. A number of, workers and family members have been sentenced to poverty and hunger for the rest of their lives. It's a very sad thing, really. It's a very sad day. But we'll keep on engaging those that we think will be able to listen to us those that we think will be able to put their, themselves in the shoes of these workers will be losing jobs. There are the reason for the possible loss of these jobs. It's not geological conditions underground. It's not because there is no more minerals to be mined. It is because they have become innocent victims of the situation.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. That was Pete Matosa, NUM president, joining us on the phone line, just giving us his expressed views on the verdict that was laid down today, and also saying that he is saddened for these workers that will be losing their jobs.